Hey friend, welcome back to Doing with Tyronzia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own t-shirt mock-up for free. Yes, spend no money. In my last video, I showed you guys how to go to Etsy and purchase a mock-up. But today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own mock-up for free. And you can actually sell it on Etsy. I'm going to show you how to create your mock-up. So I jumped right on over here to Pinterest and I found a design that I like. First of all, in my search bar, I put stylish casual outfits. So you can see she wasn't too far down. I love the whole look. I would definitely rock this outfit, shades and all, with glasses and all, right? Looks really nice. But y'all, I like this one better. So we're gonna do this one. Let's do this one instead. I'm going to simply copy this image. I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to paste this image. Okay. I'm going to paste this image. I'm going to just select share. Then I'm going to do download. But she's on page 2, right? I'm going to increase this because you know that makes it a higher quality. I'm going to do transparent background. And I'm going to do page 2 only. And I'm just going to do done, download. Right now it's downloading to my download folder. Well, it went to my pictures. But I'm just going to use Mockup for YouTube. And save. Okay, so I have my image, right? Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask Chat, give me a prompt of this image. Who is it? Y'all hear y'all nephew at the door? Okay, anyway, it says give me a prompt of this image. Then I'm going to simply go here to this plus sign and I'm going to add it. No, I'm going to add it from my photos. I'm going to go to my pictures. And it's mock-up for YouTube. I'm going to open it. Okay. You see it's loading. And now I can just click here. And Chat is going to give me a prompt for this image. Okay. So let me tell you though. Say for instance you didn't want her to wear a black t-shirt. Show you a trick with this. It says, let me read this. You can read it too while it's on the screen. So I don't want it to say anything, right? I don't want it to say anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of my t-shirt vendors. This is Sanmar. I love Sanmar, y'all. I love Sanmar. You can pick what warehouse you want it to come from. So you can pick a warehouse that's closest to your home or to your business and get it shipped to you faster. So I love Sanmar. So say for instance, we want her to wear a light pink shirt. Something I'm going to do is download this light pink shirt. Okay. Then we'll go back over here to Chat. And I'm going to put over the t-shirt in this image. I forgot, y'all. Y'all got to help me out. You're supposed to put create an image of a. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see what to come up with. Oh, we got to add the picture. I'm moving too fast, as always. I'm going to go to downloads because that's where the picture went to. Okay. Now let's see what Chat come up with. I think Chat is getting tired of creating images because if you notice, sometimes it'll try to redirect you to Midjourney or another AI tools. So I think Chat is like, hey, I want to help you write your business plan. I want to help you write your contract. I don't really want to create no images for you. So I think Chat is really getting tired of creating images. But We gonna roll with it till it stop. Okay, as you can see, it's loading, and she has on the t-shirt. Now let's see if it has any graphics on it, because we deleted that part. Let's see. It does have graphics on it, but we can fix that in Canva. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in Canva. Because it pulled the graphics from this image. I may should have went into a new chat, but hey, we got it, and we're gonna fix it in Canva. So you're gonna learn a couple of things now. Ooh, that outfit is banging, baby. This outfit is it. Hold on, can't click on it. I'm gonna copy this image, go over here to Canva, create a new page. And I'm gonna go to edit. I'm gonna grab text. It's gonna pick up the text, and I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna delete it. And I know a lot of you guys may be saying, like, why you just didn't use this one? Because this is somebody else's picture. If I use this person's picture, if that person's a real picture, whether she's AI generated or not, I didn't create this picture. She is not mine. She just inspired me to create my own. Okay? So now I can take this design. I'm working on this design for my customer, so this is not my design. This is my customer's design. And I can paste it on here. I'm going to make it bigger so we can see what we're doing, because we know it won't go across her shirt, right? We know that. So we got to make it smaller. Now that looks like she really has it on. You see that? You like it? Let me know in the comments, was this helpful? What I could have explained a little more thorough for you? Just let me know in the comments if you like it or not. But y'all, if I posted this on my social media my social media sites right now, do you know that people would purchase this? They wouldn't, baby. They would purchase this tonight. They would. Tonight, they would purchase this. I would purchase this, and I would wear it just like this with the black heels, the boyfriend jeans, ripped up, all the bracelets. If y'all see my pictures, I have a lot of bracelets on. So I am definitely feeling this. And it was inspired by this image. So even if this designer saw this image, she was like, oh, that picture look like mine. But the hair is different. The shades are different. The color of the shirt is different. The way she's stepping is different also. So really, can she say that I took her picture? Especially this video, and then she see it was inspired by her image. But this lady looks realistic in everything, and people would purchase it with no problem. So let me know in the comment, friend, if this video was useful for you. Are you going to start making your own mock-ups? And listen, if I wanted to sell this on Etsy, I would simply take this off. Well, technically, I will put it on Etsy like this, or I'll put your design here so that they'll know how it looks with words on it. But I would download this, upload it to Etsy. If I had an Etsy, I don't have an Etsy, but if I had an Etsy, I would upload it to my Etsy site, charge $1.99 for it, and let it sell. Because I have spent so many $1.99 in Etsy on mock-ups until the Holy Spirit showed me how to do this. Like, I haven't watched a video that showed me how to do this. Now, I did watch a video where the lady was like, she just used Pinterest to tell her how to describe outfits, because she knew what she wanted her avatar to wear, but she really didn't know how to explain it right. So she used ChatGPT to help her describe the outfit. So I looked at that video like a while ago, and then I was just driving, and I was like, I wonder could I create mock-ups like that? You know, instead of telling it to describe her outfit, what if I can tweak her outfit? And y'all, I came home, tried it one day, and listen, it worked. So it's a game changer. So when my customer asked me to send them a mock-up, I'm not spending $1.99 anymore on Etsy to purchase a mock-up. I just create my own, and so can you, friend. And if you create a mock-up using this method or strategy or whatever you want to call it, please send me an email. My email is on most of my thumbnails. Send me an email and let me see. I would love to see it. I would love to know that what I'm telling you and teaching you is actually working. So, friend, if you want to join a community that's going to teach you all about AI, 3D characters, all about your AI twin, the link is going to be in the description. If you want to join a community that's teaching you how to sell digital products, the link is going to be in the description. If you want to join a community that's telling you how to monetize your business, how to monetize your YouTube channel, the link is in the description. Y'all, this is the year that we're going to just, that whole ceiling that we've been able to make, oh, I can make 6 figures, we're going to take it to the next level this year. And I'm not going by myself. I'm taking you with me, friend. Let me know if this was useful for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I always talk back. Bye, friend.